Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Legal dictation. Exercise number 1. Speed 100 words per minute. Get ready for the dictation. Start. In accordance with established principles of contract law, a legally enforceable agreement necessitates the presence of specific essential elements, including offer, acceptance, consideration, mutual intent to be bound, and the capacity of the contracting parties. The absence of any of these fundamental components may render the contract void or voidable at the discretion of the aggrieved party. An offer constitutes a definitive proposal by one party to another, reflecting a clear intention to be legally bound upon acceptance. Such an offer must be communicated unequivocally with precise terms that are sufficiently certain to permit enforcement. Acceptance, conversely, necessitates an unqualified assent to the offer's terms, thereby resulting in a binding contractual relationship. Any deviation from the stipulated terms constitutes a counteroffer, which effectively nullifies the original proposal. Consideration, a cornerstone of enforceable agreements, entails a reciprocal exchange of value between the parties. It may manifest in the form of monetary compensation, services rendered, forbearance from legal action, or any other benefit conferred or detriment incurred at the behest of the promisor. Notably, past consideration or illusory promises fail to satisfy this requirement, thereby precluding the contract from attaining legal efficacy. The doctrine of contractual capacity dictates that parties entering into an agreement must possess the requisite legal competence. Individuals who are minors, mentally incapacitated, or under duress or undue influence may lack the capacity to form a legally binding contract. In such instances, the aggrieved party may seek to rescind the agreement or assert its voidability before a competent judicial authority. Furthermore, contracts adhere to the principle of legality, whereby the subject matter of the agreement must not contravene statutory provisions or public policy. Agreements involving illegal activities, fraud, or unconscionable terms are inherently void and unenforceable. Courts retain the discretion to sever unenforceable provisions from an otherwise valid contract, provided that the remainder of the agreement retains its substantive integrity. The doctrine of privity of contract stipulates that only parties privy to the agreement may enforce its terms. Exceptions to this rule exist in instances involving assignments, third-party beneficiaries, and agency relationships, wherein non-signatory parties may derive enforceable rights under the agreement. Additionally, performance obligations arising under a contract must be executed in strict conformity with its stipulated terms unless excused by impossibility, frustration of purpose, or mutual agreement. In the event of a contractual breach, the non-breaching party may avail itself of various remedies, including damages, specific performance, rescission, or restitution. Compensatory damages serve to restore the injured party to its pre-breach position, while consequential and punitive damages may be awarded in cases involving egregious misconduct or fraudulent inducement. Equitable remedies, such as specific performance, may be granted where monetary damages prove inadequate to redress the breach. In conclusion, contractual agreements are subject to an intricate legal framework designed to uphold the sanctity of mutual obligations. Parties must exercise due diligence in ensuring compliance with these principles to mitigate potential disputes and safeguard their legal interests. Stop. Thank you.